Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing these cute little Easter baskets. Actually, it's just the basket. I'm not going to do the Easter version today. I'm going to actually do a different version, but they're so cute, and I did them two different ways. Today I'm going to show you how to do the two-handled one because it's really my favorite, but I had to do one with our little ladybugs, and they are so cute, so I had to make one with the little ladybug. And then this one is with the fabled friends, and I just stamped her little head. She has a whole body, but I just stamped the heads there. And then today I am going to do a totally different one. I'm going to use this Witticisms because I love this stamp set. And we're going to do this thank you very much and make just like a little berry basket. So I thought that would be really cute. So we're going to do something different, but here's the Fable Friends, and this is the little bunny that I used for this one. So if you want to make it for Easter, you can make it. I used Highland Heather and Whisper White. And then I just used the same Easter greetings on the side for this one. And then this one, I actually made my own little grass, but this one I only put a little bit in there because I had a scrap piece of black and I just made that. So it is got the little basket weave on the side. It's really cute. And so there's our little ladybug one, and I just did the single handle on this one. All right, so let's get started with this. It's really an easy one to do. So you're going to need a 6x6, and I am using the thick Whisper White. It's great for baskets. You're going to need another piece that's 1/2 by 10.5. You are going to need two more that are 1/2 by 6, and those are for the handles. If you're going to make a double handle, if you're making a single, you just need one. And then I went ahead and already cut out my circles. I'm using the stitched circle. And then I'm using, I haven't decided what color I want to put behind this yet. I'll decide that after I stamp it and color it. But these are from the layering circles, and they are the scalloped circles. So we have to emboss this, so I wanted to cut those pieces out ahead of time to make it a little bit easier. So this is the circle that I'm using for this one, and this is a little bit bigger than the other one. So this one is 2.5 inch circle, and then this scalloped is 2 3/4. And you do need a whatever you want for the background to cut out your scallop circles and circle. All right, let's go ahead and get started with this one. So we're going to score this. And it's very simple scoring. We are going to score it at 2 and 4, and then turn it and score it at 2 and 4. And that is it. Now we'll have to score the piece that goes around in a minute, but let's do this part first. All right, so we are going to cut this, and we're going to cut all of these 4 corners off. Save these pieces because they're big enough to stamp on. I don't usually save pieces any smaller than that, unless they are narrow pieces like 1/2 inch or inch pieces, and then I use those for sentiments. So we're cutting all 4 corners off of this. All right, so we have all those pieces. So now we need to bring the big shot up here, and we are going to use our Postal Weave 3D embossing folder. And that's what we're going to use for embossing this. I love this one. It's really pretty weaving. So I am bringing my regular Big Shot platform because this is a 3D embossing folder, and I'm using our special embossing plate for this one. So you're going to put this in the embossing folder. Make sure that the Stampin' Up is showing on the top here both times, so you have it the same embossing on both sides. I'm turning this sideways so that I can then turn it around, and we got this part done. Look how pretty it is. Can you see that? And then we're going to just turn this piece around, and then we're going to emboss this piece. All right. Now our whole piece is embossed. It's really pretty. I really like the weave on this one. All right, so we are going to fold these up. So this side is going in, it's depressed. This side is out. So that's the side you want out. All right, and I'm not using my bone folder because it's not necessary on here. Let's bring the scoring tool up again, and let's score our long 10.5-inch piece, and this is for the top part. So we're going to score this piece at 1/2. Oh, let me get my little, especially on a small piece like that, I need my wax paper. So we're scoring this at 1/2, 1, 3, 3.5, 5.5, 6, 8, and 8.5. All right. So we are just going to fold these in. And then we're ready to put it on our box. You can use tear and tape for this. I did use tear and tape on my first box. This one, I think I may use some wet glue so that I have a little wiggle time during this video here. All right, so we're going to start with this little end, the 1/2-inch end. We're going to place that right at the very edge there. Oops. I don't know, maybe my tear and tape may have been a better idea. And then you're not going to put any glue on the rest of these 1/2-inch. You're just going to put it on the long sections here. And you're going to bring this up, line that little 1/2-inch mark there, turn it, put glue on the long part again, and then line your 1/2-inch piece there, and then this one. It's really, really easy. Line it up to the very top, and then our very last piece here will go up to there. And there is our basic little box. Isn't that so cute? These are really, really cute. You can even leave it like this. And I've seen those little like strawberries that you can make. I thought about doing that too, and you can just stick those in here. It would be super cute. Fill them with little candies. That would be really cute as well. Let's go ahead and stamp here and then put our handles on. All right, I'm going to use the Memento Black. Then we'll have everything all ready to go. Because I'm just going to color the little strawberry really quick with my Stampin' Blends. I thought that was so cute. I love this little Witticism stamp set. It's so cute and perfect for box making. So I'm using light and dark mossy metal and light and dark real red. So we're gonna, I think that what I want to do first is I do want to use some little black on these little spots here that are not colored in. There we go. And then we'll do I'm doing the light first, and then I'm going to kind of shade it a little bit. It's such a cute little strawberry. Alright, so then let's do the light mossy meadow first here on the leaf, the stem. It's really, really quick and easy coloring. And then I'll just add a little bit of shading to this one. Alright, we're going to leave it just like that. It's really, really cute though. You see how cute that is? I really love this little stamp set. Alright, so now I'm going to decide what I want to put. It's going to have the red handles, so I'm not sure I want to use the mossy meadow on here. It's going to go on just like that. Or if I want the real red. So let's put the handles on first. Alright, so for the handles, you need to be really careful with this process. I'm using our metallic brads here for this. And I'm going to use, this was from inside of a Stampin' Up product that I got, and it's this little foam. So you want to use some kind of foam pad because you don't want to poke yourself with this. So I'm going to actually put this inside here. And I'm going to punch 2 holes, one on each side, and then I'm going to use my thing here again because I want to make sure I have the holes in here, and I don't want to poke myself. Don't ask me how I know that that happens. All right, I'm going to make sure this is lined up right. All right, so we're going to, once you do the one side, it's really easy. We're going to use the smallest brads on here. I'm running out of these brads, so I'm probably not going to use the exact same color on all 4 of them. And they're really itty bitty, hard to hold sometimes, so I'm going to put that through here. You can use the larger brads, definitely. They work just as well. And it just have a bigger little stud there. And on the other side, we can do them both at the same time. I'm just going to line those both up here. You can put some little, can put a little bit of a sticky on the end of this to hold them in place. And then we're just going to go through both of those. Brads are so cute because the handles just move back and forth. It's just adorable with the little brads. But you can definitely just glue them in place like that. All right, so now let's decide what we're gonna do here. Do we want to do the red or do we want to do the green? I think I'm going to go for the green because there is quite a bit of real red on here. And although the red is really cute too, I don't know. Take your choice. Make your pick. I'm going to do the garden or the mossy meadow. All right, so I'm going to need my snail just to give it a little bit of that green in it. And then to attach it to here, I would use either your tear and tape or wet glue. I'm just going to use, because of the video, I'm just going to use this. It doesn't hold it on for a good long time if you use snail. But how cute is that little? Thank you very much. It's so cute. And then just make your own little grass and put it inside. And it'd be really cute. So here's all three. If you want to make the Easter one, make it for Easter. It's just really cute. It would be a really cute Easter place setting. And then just fill it with some candy for your guests. All right, everyone. I hope you all have a blessed day. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. This is my March Hostess code. I'll put you in a drawing to win Hostess dollars each month. And that is it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Have a blessed one. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.